Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about recovering our Yahoo password without backup email. So first off, we're going to be opening a browser of our choice. For now, I'm going to be choosing Safari. And in Safari, you can type in, and in the search bar, you can type in Yahoo Sign-In Helper. And then you can tap on the first option. Here, you will be prompted to type in your recovery email address. If you do not have that, you can use your recovery phone number if you have registered it with Yahoo. If you do not have both, then you can also try to check your browser's saved passwords. Your web browser may have stored your password. Check your browser's autofill or password settings to see if it is saved there. You can also try using previously created personal keys or security questions. You can also try contacting Yahoo Premium Customer Care, but for this, you must have paid for the service. Also, if you had signed up with a Google or Facebook ID, you can use the sign-in helper and enter the email address and follow the directions to create a new password. For any further questions, please leave a comment down below.